But tomorrow here down in the Denver metro area and much of the Front Range, it's going to be unusually warm here with temperatures in the middle to low 70s across our area, 50s and 60s up in the mountains and in the foothills. Here's your Saturday in Denver. We'll probably see a wave of clouds move through at some point in the morning and early afternoon hours. Might release that into more sunshine in the afternoon. I think we should have no problem getting our temperatures up into the middle 70s tomorrow. Nice looking fall day, except for just a little bit warmer than average here. But then Sunday and Monday is going to be extremely warm, and that's going to help us maintain the warmest October we've ever had all the way through the first 27 days here. But the last 3 days are looking pretty cold, so we're projecting this final average to come in at second place behind 1950, so likely finishing the October as the second warmest October we've ever experienced here. This is the high pressure. We're looking at the atmosphere here. The orange and yellow colors there indicating the high pressure will stay warm and dry over the next few days. But we'll watch this storm system coming in here that's been showing up in the computer forecast modeling very consistently. A nice deep trough here connected to the northern tier. So we'll get the cold air coming down, and once the low pressure comes over the state, that air will rise, and when you get cold air rising like that, you get a winter storm, and that's what we're looking at here, coming in here on Tuesday and Wednesday. So we'll have mountain impacts first, coming down to the metro area. We even have a chance for our first snow here in Denver. This Wednesday will be the last chance to get that October snow this year. Generally, it does happen in October, 60% of the time. 72 times we've got our first snow in October in 119 years. If we don't get it on Wednesday, we will have to wait till November, which only happens about 20% of the time. Do you remember last year? Yeah, me either. But luckily, I took this picture here in my backyard. This was our first snow last year, October 28th and 29th. It was a big hit. This is a pretty significant snowstorm, 6 to 12 inches. We're not going to get that this time, but we do have a chance to get some of that snow accumulation here in Denver. So we are looking for a potential weather impact day on Tuesday and Wednesday. Mountain snow should be pretty significant. That starts on Tuesday morning. Temperature swing should be pretty significant here in Denver, going from the upper 70s down to 32 degrees in 48 hours. And we're also looking at snow in the metro area and on the Front Range. There could even be some snow accumulation with this, so we'll have to watch that forecast as it develops. So here's your 7-day forecast. Broncos Sunday looking pretty hot there. In fact, maybe just 4 or 5 degrees away from record hot. Hot day on Monday as well. We'll watch for some breezy conditions that could elevate some wildfire danger. And then we'll look for the impact here on Tuesday as that cold front comes in. Likely rain showers at first in the evening, giving way to the morning mix. And we'll look for some snow accumulation possibly in the higher suburbs. At this point, we don't see any snow accumulation in Denver, but we'll probably see those flakes. And look at that. Halloween escaped the storm once again this year. But there's your 7-day forecast, and we'll keep an eye on that storm as it develops in the next few days.